Hey guys, it is Mail Call Saturday. Some of it is Happy Mail, some of it is stuff I ordered, and one of them is a kit that I subscribe to every month. So, I'm going to try to start doing a Mail Call Saturday every week. I know I've gotten slack on it, but I am saving all the cards and things that come in and putting them in the everything journal. So, first I'm going with the Happy Mail. Looky here, looky here. Aren't they gorgeous? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, a dozen doilies, guys. Look how beautiful they are. And how wonderful that my dear friend from home, Miss Jen, sent me these. And they are going to go in the journal I've just started, which is Grandma's Kitchen. Well, not all 12 of them, but some of them. So thank you, Miss Jen, and I miss you so much. And the second one is a new eBay guy I love. And these are vintage African rubber stamps. And they come from Yinzer Picker. And, yeah, he's got a really good shop. But it's different little African-themed animals. And as you guys all know, last month's craft kit was African animals. So I am actually going to make a safari journal. But it even came with a little ink pad that's never been opened. How cool is that? But it's 6 rubber stamps, 6 label stickers, which I'm assuming that means you can put them on the back, and 1 black ink pad. I'm sure the ink pad is no longer any good, but it's from Rubber Stampede, if you've ever heard of them. And here's the prints you're getting. Aren't they adorable? I love it. I just love it. When I saw these, I said I have to get it. And I could have sworn the guy has some vintage recipe cards in his shop, but couldn't find them. Next is from the Junk Journal shop. And I haven't even opened it. I got some music note cards. And man, these are perfect. I'm almost positive for index card size. This is so cool. I don't know, I may just keep them like they are and just use them as, yeah, I'm going to keep them as they are and make them for journaling cards. So I got 2 packs of these. And guys, look at these prices. I mean, can you imagine? These are great prices. And then I got, oh, this is the third one. So I got 3 sets of these. It must be, yeah, this one must be a different size from these 2 because it's 2 different prices, but that's okay. It's worth it. These make great journaling cards. Work's already done for me, and I am cranking out some journals now, guys. So next is an order from Amazon. And as you guys know, I started doing resin. Getting pretty good at it, actually. And really enjoying it. It's very relaxing. But I have to do it outside. And we're having storms. Well, Colleen was doing something on her channel the other day. And I said, I wonder if they can be done with resin. So I'm going to try it. And it is craft bottle caps. So what I do is put a picture down in here, and then put the resin over top of it, and turn them into charms for the dangles. I know, they're kind of big, but I think they'll look cute. Or you could just glue them right onto the page even, they would look cute. So yeah, I bought a pack of beads because I wanted to try those. And I got them in the silver because I wasn't sure what colors I would be using, you know, for journals and so forth. So next is my Cora Crea, C-R-E-A. And this is a subscription box off of CrateJoy.com. I love that site. And you guys know, I love subscription box. Because you never know what you're going to get. If I'm not mistaken, this month is vintage. And they're the ones that I got the African Safari box from last month. So, let's see what we got in here. We got, thank you for your order. Enjoy your August Old Maps box. Oh my, oh yes, I'm excited. Old Maps box. Wow. Wow. I got this stamp. Glasses, please. It's in inches and kilometers. And I can't read it still, even with my glasses on. But it's cool. It's pretty neat looking. See? Then I got washi tape. Yeah, Kathy needs more washi tape. I have to start using up my washi tape, guys, or Happy Melon or something. I have too much washi tape. Then I got this beautiful stamp. I love these. Love them, love them, love them. I wonder if you can stamp a wax seal. Watch me mess up the stamp and dry it. And here's the wide roll of washi tape. Oh, yes, I love this. I could have sworn this month was vintage. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it was vintage maps. Oh, look at this. Isn't that adorable? I love this little note. Look at that. That is so stinking cute. I bet Mr. P can make these. Oh, I love it. That's adorable. I will use this a lot. Oh, check out this stamp, guys. Now, this is awesome. This is freaking awesome stamp. Love this stamp. Can you see that? Should I have something behind it? How about my fat hand? You see that? You can't go wrong with subscription boxes. Because even if you get something you won't use, you can Happy Mail it to somebody you know that will. But you get so much. So I got some little note cards, drawing cards, with old maps. Awesome. I love old maps. I just love them. Look at that little tag. Oh, Ireland, cool. North America. These are sticker sheets. This is cool. Oh, neat. Oh, these are stickers too. But they're translucent when you pull them off the back. Oh, yes. Love it. This is cool. So look down below for the links to the people that I have mentioned, except for my friend Jen, because she doesn't do YouTube. But we've been friends for a very, very, very long time. And every now and then we send each other just a little smile present. And I was very happy to get hers today. So thank you for watching, guys. I will put the links below to the shops that I purchased from. And check them out, really. Check them out because you get some good deals. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.